Sneezing disorder help me.
Way to appropriately form or don PPE. More than one donning method may be acceptable to your facility. It's important.
It's like I feel it, then it leaves. It's like right here.
Sneezing disorder.
Nice front, please. Look at this video.
That's probably the book. What does he think? I don't know. One? Fuck you. And thanks.
Shit.
People think I'm obsessed with this, and I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that
Thank you. Good morning.
Sneezing disorder.
I'm glad it did that because I was like, I was mad and we had to keep going for like a whole day. And it was cool. I mean, it was cool. Like, I edited real quick. I told y'all,
People who don't actually have ready access to healthy and nutritious foods. Way more. I've been wanting to catch myself sneezing, but like forevermore, dude, I'm never on point.
Sneezing disorders hurt.
Basically, this how the girl.
Thank you.
Frente a las cámaras de mi compa Cervantes, mi compa J7. Es la de Simona, viejo. ¿Qué corridón, viejo? Tú no nací para perder, viejo. Ni dice.
Guys, I suffer from sneezing a lot. I don't know what it is.
Wear yourself an ugly little sweater, yes and bright.
Yeah. Drea.
Desde Hermosillo, Sonora. Porque vamos para arriba, compa Junior. Para su compa Gavito.